And also, you see, single deck definitely cannot handle this. And this is where we split off with the number 9. Number 9 turns left, we goes right. Here he goes. Oh boy. Everyone is filming at the front seat here. Jeez Louise. 1 camera, 2 cameras. Here we go. That's why these routes are the best for filming. Tai Tam Reservoir North. The bus should get cleared out very soon, so because the country park's upcoming. Okay, but the thing is, not like number 9. Number 9 does run the city bus E400s, but I don't think this route can run the city bus E400s.
We can't even fit in these now.
Yep, that's why. If there's another bus coming, they have to reverse. There's no way.
Yeah.
Upcoming is the reservoir. We can already see it. It's just down there. Yep. Here we go. There's a sign saying "Be careful of cyclists" over there. Yep. And is there another thing coming out? Oh, I need to slow down because the car's coming. Yep.
Don't want to hit the Mercedes.
Yep. Because it probably needs to cross to the other lane to turn. Oh boy, minibus coming. Minibus coming. Oh boy, this is going to be a tight one. Oh, there it goes. That is close. That's why these drivers have to be trained specifically for this. When they train, they have to. And here comes another bus. Here it comes. There that goes. Oh. That's why. Terrible minibus. Damn, I think we talk way too loud. I think I talk way too loud. That's why I popped up the top. Stop too loud on the phone. There's a hiking path right there. And here comes the reservoir. There's the reservoir bridge. There goes everyone. Oh boy, here it comes. This is the new bridge that there is a traffic light on here to control, because it's like mostly just one direction, because even if the bus have to occupy the entire lane right here, so. No, it might fall, but. How many people actually put, when they film it, is put a tic tac right here? I mean, not tic tac, was that blue tack? And they just put their phone on there.
Oh, you know, and it puts the blue tack on,
blue tack on the window and they just put their phone on there.
It puts like the blue tack in the vents and stuff to stop it rattling.
But sometimes when they forgot to remove the blue tag, they just leave it right there. It just feels stupid. Just be careful of falling on it.
Yeah.
This is pretty bouncy.
We're obviously not making.
Oh, I didn't realize. The stop is right there.
Yeah.
Bro. And then this is how the lane is. Literally it's just one directional. You see? So that's why it's so necessary with this light.
Seats are very creaky.
Yeah. It's a low height seat, so. When are we going? Bro, stupid light.
Can we leave?
Yeah,
please?
stupid light. It's a long bridge. This is the prettiest section of the entire route. Oh my gosh.
I haven't seen I thought that was the end of the cars.
Nah. Are there more cars back there? This is such a long bridge. What the hell? Oh, here we go. You see, that's why I said Riley tried to put his phone right there. That's not gonna work.
I wanna get photos.
Oh my gosh. I've been to Tai Tam Reservoir one time. It's not gonna work, bro. It's not gonna work. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've been to Tai Tam one time walking from Quarry Bay over here. And I ended here and we took the 14. Which is a pretty decent path. Part of the McNichols Trail. Is that McNichols Trail? No. The Island Trail. Jesus Christ. The McNichols Trail is in Kowloon. Oh boy, here we go. That's the stop I got on last time, over there. Towards Shaoqiwan direction. Okay, unfortunate. Cannot go through. Oh, yep. We're stuck right here. Might reverse if there's no car at the back. There's the car stopping right there with the dead signal. That's kind of a bad spot to stop because like around a bend. So cars cannot really see him. Considering there's so many traffic accidents recently in Hong Kong. Yesterday already someone got killed, so... On the highway with the truck driver.
Public light bus.
Those fit better here, but it's just low patronage. I mean low passenger load. Okay. Next is the Tai Tam Scout Center stop. Yep, this is only served by the 14, and the Tai Tam Country Park stop is right here as well.